Hi, we are going to present our Models and Structures assignment on Nissan Motors. These are the main topics we're going to talk about, starting with a brief introduction to the company. Nissan Motor Co. Ltd. is a global automotive manufacturer headquartered in Yokohama, Japan. It produces passenger cars, light commercial vehicles, and electrical vehicles under the Nissan, Infiniti, and Datsun brands. The company operates major production plants in Japan, the US, Europe, China, and other regions. In recent years, Nissan has focused on its Intelligent Factory initiative, modernizing production with Industry 4.0 technologies to achieve higher efficiency, quality, flexibility, and carbon neutrality. This includes advanced automation, digitalization, and retooling of plants for electrical vehicles, powertrain production, positioning Nissan as a leader in the transition towards smart and sustainable manufacturing.
Okay, so we'll start focusing on two key technological capabilities that Nissan has implemented, which are the use of digital twins and simulation and the use of AI-driven quality control. So starting with the digital twin and simulation, Nissan has used them as tools to optimize their production lines. We brought one concrete case, which was in the Barcelona plant, where simulation software Simio was used to model the production of the NV200 van. This allowed the company to validate the line design before building it physically. It let them analyze bottlenecks, test like different product scenarios, and adjust their internal logistics before actually doing it. So discuss that today. This practice is like part of Nissan's global strategy. They use digital twins to help them predict assembly issues, balance workloads between stations, and reduce the time needed to implement new models. So basically, the digital twins give like Nissan the opportunity to have a virtual factory where they can experiment before actually making a real investment. Now for the AI-driven quality control, we brought an example, which is the ARTIS system at the Smyrna plant in the United States, which uses high-resolution cameras and machine learning algorithms to detect paint defects on car bodies. So the system works by analyzing more than 400 images per vehicle, and which allows it to find irregularities that obviously the human eye can miss. This has reduced rework and improved customer satisfaction. And the other example is at the Opama plant in Japan, where an AI-driven inspection system reaches an accuracy of 99.9% in detecting defects in parts. And also it fits like predictive models that anticipate maintenance problems before they cause any repercussions. So like to conclude, these capabilities are like clear examples of how Nissan implements Industry 4.0 to make their production lines more efficient, flexible, and reliable.
Guys, so now let's continue talking about Nissan, but information related to the robotics and automation. We wanted to show you that they have been working with different kind of robots since 2017. You can actually see in this slide where they are showing how they are utilizing the collaborative robots, and it is amazing, right? Because they are designing and utilizing multi-robotic systems, because they are handling very heavy materials, so that's why it's very important they have this kind of technology, and also because they need to assure very high quality standards, so it's very important to connect and to do the right programming on the right PLC to guarantee the level of the quality that is requested by the customers and by their Nissan standards. Also, in the second slide, you can see that they are they are always on the trend, and they are currently utilizing the skeletons also. And for me it was amazing, right, to see how they are really thinking on how to include and be diverse, hiring women and hiring elder people, because they want to continue having this resource inside their companies. So that's why you can see in this slide how they are installing these skeletons in operations where they need to do repetitive tasks, where they need to move from one side to another, heavy materials also, and it will really provide better working conditions for the people. And you know that overall around the world there are more women, so this will also help the production plants to have more opportunities, and also it will help the world to be inclusive and get more efficiency inside the processes, having the right mix of men and women inside the companies, because you know they have different skills. And well, also
Okay, so I'm going to talk about the Nissan Intelligent Factory, an initiative that represents the future of automotive production. Since its foundation, Nissan has been known for high quality and efficient manufacturing, largely thanks to the skills of its Takumi, or master technicians. But the world around us is changing. Japan is facing an aging society and labor shortages, while globally we are challenged by climate change, pandemics, and the growing complexity of electrified and connected vehicles. To respond to these pressures, Nissan created the Intelligent Factory. This concept is built on four main pillars. First, building the future of mobility. The Intelligent Factory adapts production lines to meet the new demands of CASE, which stands for Connected, Autonomous, Shared, and Electric Vehicles, which require advanced structures and technologies. So the factory integrates cutting-edge systems to make production more efficient and flexible. Second, they bring craftsmanship to robots. The knowledge and refined skills of the Takumi are passed onto the robots. This allows robots to perform extremely precise tasks, such as installing suspension links, headliners, or cockpit modules, with accuracy down to a fraction of a millimeter. By transferring human craftsmanship to machines, Nissan ensures that every car maintains the highest quality standards. Third, making better workplaces with robots. The Intelligence Factory doesn't just automate work, it also improves conditions for employees. Robots handle heavy or physically demanding tasks, which means safer and more comfortable workplaces. This approach also allows a more diverse workforce, including women and elderly workers, to participate in car manufacturing with greater ease. And finally, achieving a zero-emission production system. Nissan aims to be carbon neutral by 2050, and the factory plays a key role. Production equipment is being fully electrified, while renewable and alternative energy sources are being introduced. Even the paint process has been redesigned. Dry paint booths recycle air efficiently, cutting energy use by 25% and reducing emissions to zero, capturing and reusing paint waste. To make all of this possible, Nissan uses a wide range of innovative technologies. For example, real-time vehicle position measurement ensures incredible precision, new welding methods improve visibility for drivers, and automated quality inspections reduce human error. They even use mixed reality training so workers can quickly gain operational skills while viewing the product on the line. So basically, the Nissan Intelligent Factory is more than just automation. It is a new philosophy of manufacturing, one that combines human craftsmanship, robotics, digital technology, and sustainability. By doing this, Nissan is not only preparing for the vehicles of tomorrow, but also contributing to a decarbonized and more inclusive society.